Good morning, everybody. Mr. Flynn here. Tuesday, March 24th. Hope you're all having a nice morning. I'm using a new platform today, so we're going to see how it works. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, and it enables me to show you some examples while using my computer. So we're going to give it a try and see how it works. As always, though, we'll start off with a little joke. Let's see. What do you get when a chicken lays an egg on top of a barn? So what do you get when a chicken lays an egg on top of a barn? Give up? You get an egg roll. I get it, because the chicken lays the egg and it rolls down. Boo-doo-boo. All right. Anyway, morning greetings from Charles. Still sleeping. It's like he hasn't moved at all. Silly guy. What are you gonna do with him though? Anyway, today we're going to do a little practice of adding amounts of money, and that's gonna be the main crux of our topic today. So you're going to every packet's gonna be a little bit different. If you have packet A, you're gonna go to page 7. If you have packet B, you're going to go to page 6. If you have packet C, you're going to go to page 8 for your practice. Now I'm going to show you an example. And remember, I'm testing this out, so we're going to see how it goes. So, some of you have this problem, some of you don't on your paper, but it's a good example to use. If I'm looking at number 1, if I'm adding these amounts of money without a calculator, remember we always start in the smallest place value. So we're going to start here in the hundredths place. So we're going to do the 3 plus the 6, which equals 9. There's nothing to carry, so then we just do 2 plus 1, which equals 3. Remember, bring our decimal straight down. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And to make sure everyone knows we're talking about money, put the dollar sign. Okay, that's easy enough, right? So let's go down to 1. Let's go to number 3, where we're going to have to carry. So if you do 2 plus 7, that equals 9. We don't have to carry anything there. If we do 4 plus 7, though, that equals 11. We're not going to write 11 down here. We're just going to write the ones place, the second one of the 11 there. We're going to carry the other one up there. Now we still have to put our decimal right here. Then we do 1 plus 7 plus 0 equals 8. So our total there is $8.19. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's go to number 4. We have 5 plus 5. That's going to equal 10. So we'll put the 0 from the 10 there, and then we'll carry the 1. Now we have 1 plus 8 equals 9, plus 8 more is going to equal, we have 9 plus 8 is going to give us 17. So we put our 7 there, carry the 1, put your decimal, then you do 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So we have $5.70. So I hope you're able to see on my example how those things worked. Once again, I'm just trying this out because I'm learning as well as you how to teach from home as you guys are learning how to learn from home. After you do this, I'm going to give you little instructions in your Google Classroom as to what else you're going to be doing, and then complete a quick Google form. It's technically an abbreviated schedule today, as Mr. Markarian sent out. So just try to complete this page from your packet and then maybe a little bit of work from your daily workbook, and that'll be good for today. Those of you who want to challenge yourself, when you're doing your packet paper, if you want, say for answer like number 4, you had $5.70. If you want, you can go ahead and show me or practice with yourself what the best way to make $5.70 would be. So in this case, we would use a $5 bill, right? So we just use 1 5. And then remember, we want to use the least amount of coins as possible. So if I'm making $5.70, I'm going to use a $5 bill, and then I'm just going to use 1/4 is 25. Another quarter is 50. Remember, we're trying to get to 70. If I used another quarter, that would be too much. So I'm going to go to my dimes. So I have 50 plus 1 dime is 60. So I have 2 quarters and a dime is 60. And 1 more dime would be 70. So to make the 70 cents, I would use 2 quarters and 2 dimes. So if you want to challenge yourself, you can do that too in addition to completing the worksheet. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you today. Charles, say goodbye. Once again, taking a snooze, that boy. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh, don't forget, your parents are doing a wonderful job. Make sure you always say thank you multiple times a day.